All right, so guys, I'm getting ready to show you how do you turn your regular Allianz travel insurance waiver form. How do you kind of sort of automate this? So Miss Justine, she is going to be our example for the travel insurance waiver form, and how we've automated it. So Miss Justine, the first thing that you probably need to do is press create, and then we're going to press
Okay.
group, and then you want to name it travel insurance accept deny form.
Oh, accept, deny. Okay.
All right, and then so go on. Oh, we're gonna change the picture. Go in a different tab. Go to Google, and then you're
Okay.
not supposed to do this. We're gonna once we get an Allianz Allianz picture that says travel insurance, we're gonna use it. But for right now, type travel insurance, and then go to images, and we want something that's big that says travel insurance. Either one of these. So either one of those, click on it, and then we're gonna. Yep, that's actually one of the ones that we use. So right click, save image,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then name it whatever you want to name it.
Okay.
All right. Then so let's hop back over to Travel Joy. Let's upload that. All right, that is the first part. So go ahead and create group. Right, done. All right, next step you want to do is go to templates
Okay.
over to the left. And then you're going to be looking at forms. And then you're probably going to have to go to team templates. All right, so what we're going to do is look for, I think I renamed it. Go to travel insurance default. And then yes, this is it. All right.
Okay.
Yep, so go
Oh, I
ahead and
have
click add
seen this
to my,
one. I think
you
I
got
already
this one
have
already?
this in my tablet. Mm-hmm.
How recent was it? Was it this week?
Yeah, I used it because I have a
Or,
trip that I'm planning for my mom, and I already sent it. I sent it to her like a few days ago. So I believe
okay,
this is it.
all right, so no,
Okay.
this is, you need more than that because what if they accept it? So how are you going to get their information? Like, how are you going to get
No,
their
no,
name?
I think I
If you send
renamed
it,
it.
okay,
This is it.
yeah, perfect. All right, so let's see. All right, and I think it's some verbiage down there. I mean, you can use this, but I think it was a little bit extra verbiage. Basically saying like to click on the link that's in the terms because we're going to actually put a link in the terms. But we can leave this, but also what if your client for the reservation they have more than just them? How are you going to get
Mm-hmm.
that client information? Oh, you got that? Okay, perfect. Okay, so leave this here. Go back to the other one. Let's see if you need to add anything extra. Go back to forms. Let's see.
To the original one.
Yes, to the original. Let's see if you need to add any extra verbiage.
Okay.
Travel insurance. All right. So got that. Got that. By going to
I
travel.
think I might have removed this last line about mommy and me.
No. But what you're gonna do right here, you're gonna put in parentheses. You're gonna put at our travel insurance link below because it's literally gonna be. We're gonna put the link right below that.
Okay.
So you can by going to. So it says I accept. So what do they do after they hit accept? Sorry about that. You got to give them instructions. Listen, I'm telling you. So I would say at least copy that. At least add that back to the template. You don't gotta like add this into the template, but maybe even go into preview and see if you could just copy. Travel insurance can also be purchased. You want to give them as much directions as possible because they're gonna be blowing your phone up trying to figure out what to do.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe just the travel insurance can be purchased on your website. Yada yada yada.
Are you talking about this part?
This is just the last sentence.
Okay.
And did you change up any of the decline stuff?
I don't think I changed this part. I think I just removed this last sentence. Yeah.
All right. So grab the last sentence. We're not gonna, of course, put Mommy and We Travels in there. We're gonna put, your link.
Mm-hmm.
For you. All right.
Yeah, I think I put this, and then you're saying right here at that last sentence.
Yep. So over there to the left, the first option. No, not this one. The first one. I'm sorry, the accept one. You got it right. All the way down to the bottom. Right.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yep. And then
Oh, I think no. Hold on. I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Oh no, this one is good. This one is good. If you're trying to just grab the last section, you see that help text? Put something in there. Drop that in the help text. I see what you're trying to do. And help text
but
right up top.
I copied the second one, not the first one. The last sentence of I decline. So I gotta go back here, and copy this right here. And then go back here and add here. Okay.
All right, and then erase all of my website. At the website below.
Let's see on the website below. Okay.
And then go up top. One thing that I did forget to do, I forgot to make the state a required field. So let's do state right there. Let's make it a required field, because if they hit accept, you still gonna need what you call it. You still gonna need their state a big bit. So how do you click?
Yeah, I don't see how to make it required. Oh wait, maybe here.
Right. Yeah.
There we go.
Now hit save, and then over there to the left, you'll see it saved.
And should I do it for the country too?
Not necessarily. They better be. Okay. I mean, they're in Florida. They're from the United States, right? All right. So now over to the left, let's go to terms and conditions. All right. And so we're going to see travel insurance terms. Click on that. All right. So right there, you see visit. You see visit. You can put visit travel insurance right here. Put here. Whatever you do, put here in parentheses and make it bold. Just remove that. All right. And then we're going to do a hyperlink. So do you know how to pause sharing? You got to pause your screen so that I want you to go to your email, your travel supplier email, and then you have an Allianz link in there for your personal Allianz website. Go to that email. But pause your screen. I had that.
Okay.
Well, pause your screen first. Do you know how to do it?
Or you just stop? Okay. It's paused, right?
Right. Move your mouse around. Okay.
I'm moving. Okay.
Okay, perfect. Now go to suppliers, and then if you put that Allianz link in there, not the Allianz travel agent site, but do you remember the website link that's in there?
I have my Allianz travel website link. That's what you're talking about? The personal link?
So copy it. Yes.
Okay. Yes.
Once you copy it, let's come over here, and then once you copy it and come back over to Travel Joy, you can unpause your sharing. And then highlight here, and then it, yes, there you go. Yep.
Oh, did it copy the right one? No, it's copying. Hold on, one more time. It didn't copy. Hold on.
Okay, pause your screen.
Come on. Copy. There we go. Okay. And go here.
There we go. All right,
Okay.
and then so travel insurance notice. Okay, everything goes in here. Should we hit save? Right, and then the last thing that we want to do, let's go back to your form. Let's make sure that that specific template is actually uploaded in the travel insurance form.
Okay. So here.
Yep. Mm-hmm. And then it's the section right there that says show advanced. Click there up top.
Show advanced form. Okay.
All right. So add terms. Okay. Got that. Okay. Travel insurance terms. Okay. Okay. This looks good. Now, all right. Now, all we're gonna do now is go back to the dashboard. We're about to wrap this up.
Okay. Did I change anything? I don't think so.
Nope. You didn't change it.
Okay.
Ooh, the I think it does include it. I was gonna say the client section doesn't include date of birth. I'm pretty sure it does. All right, so now
Yeah, it does.
go,
it does.
it does. Okay, perfect. All right, so let's go back to that group, travel insurance accepted now. Right, go up a little bit.
There we go.
And then let's go to create, and then let's go to form, travel insurance. Right, next. Well, yeah, this is what it looks like.
So full name, state of residency.
There's the link. Let's go back into the form. I mean the terms, and then you see here is in black. But let's save this though. Let's hit next. Let's make it blue or red or something to let them know that it's that
So
it's
publish it?
Yes.
Oh, you're saying
okay. But hit next and then save and publish, and let's copy that link. Yep. And then let's run back to the forms. To the terms and conditions, and we're gonna put click here. I'm telling you, some people don't read it, don't follow directions sometimes. Like I didn't tell you that, Ms. Jones.
Okay.
Right. So let's put click here and then put parentheses around that. So up to about here. Yep. Click here. And then let's see if we could change the color from black to let's keep it blue.
Okay.
Yep. Right. Now hit save.
Okay.
All right. Now let's open up another tab and then let's paste your in there, your link that you got, just to make sure all of it's good. Go down. Yes. All right. Click here. Make sure it's going to the You'll know that it's yours because you should see, there you go, agency ID down there at the bottom. Okay, this looks perfect. All right, last step. Go back to, where were we? Oh, we were in your smart proposal. Go back into your smart proposal. So this is 100% complete. You can now take out that form, the document, and then just paste that code there.
Okay.
So do you remember which trip it was?
Jamaica.
Yep. All right, so go into the proposal. All right, go straight down to travel insurance. Yep. And then go all the way down. All right, now there you go. Take that out and then and then there you go. Wait, here. I think you didn't capture all of it. I mean, it'll still be okay. It'll still be. No,
this link. This link is the link to my personal whatchamacallit page.
Yes, that link it'll go straight to your travel insurance page, but that link that you're pasting now, this is now your group booking page for your travel insurance acceptance.
Okay.
Save, and then add to library, so you don't have to do this anymore. Oh, you already did. Okay. But to change something about it, probably won't let you add it again. You know what? Duplicate it. Duplicate it, and you could put new. Yeah. The item name up top. Just call it. You see how you can add it to the library again? Yeah, you can put new. There you go. And then you can erase it now. All right, and then so let's go see how it works. Go ahead and go on another tab, put that group booking page. Well, yeah. Go ahead.
Preview or go to it like a brand new?
It should be the same exact thing. So press preview.
Nope, not that.
And then let's fill it out. Now you could put like ABC or something like that.
Yeah, I just wanted to see how the link works from here.
Absolutely. So click
here. Click here. There we go.
There we go. Put your email, or you could put a dummy email. It doesn't really matter because it's going to stay in your profile. It's going to stay in, your TravelJoy. All right. So full name. And so now, not only that, but you got the client's birthdays. You got everything you need. Right. So accept. All right. So go down to the bottom. We'll sign it. All right, sign and then submit.
Then submit. Oh, I'm missing this field is required.
All right, now I want you, if you check your email, you'll notice that somebody put in a form for it. But what we're going to do now, let's go back to your main portal, main TravelJoy portal, and let's go to the group booking page for it. All right, so now let's go. Yep. You see how it says 1 in parentheses? Yeah, that means one person is in there. So hit view. There you go. You have it all. Okay, so that's your proof. Done. All right. So thank you so much for being a great example of how easy it should be to do this. All right. So let's keep going.